Squad. Today we're going to be doing Don't Choose the Wrong Dunkin Donuts Slime Challenge. Because we love Dunkin. It's like so good. Like, yum.
Okay, that was awkward. Before we start this video, we have a challenge for you guys. To hit that subscribe button. We'll wait a minute.
Yeah, we'll wait a minute. I think they did it. What do you think?
Maybe. Sure.
Okay, so we think you did. Okay, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you got smarter than me.
So I'm going to choose this one, I think. It's green. Good. It's actually pretty pretty. Like if I get like, I hope I get like a yellow.
I had my eye on this one. What's in it?
If I get yellow, I can make possibly blue.
Oh, conditioner.
Well, conditioner, I don't know if that's a good ingredient or a bad ingredient. It's pretty good, I'd say. Now,
why is
I'm
this
gonna
not
pick
coming out?
this one while you're trying to get your conditioner out. Blue glue! I don't know how this is gonna turn out together, but okay.
Looks like a football team. I'm going for this one right here. I think that's where it was.
I really like that blue.
Oh, it's red.
Red is your conditioner. That'll make it like a light red.
Wait, no, it's pink.
Oh, it's pink. That looks like pretty pink.
No more dry food.
Show the camera. Look
at that pretty pink.
It's so pretty. Now I'm gonna pick this one.
Whoa!
And by the way, there's 7 rounds.
Riley.
I got a lot of shaving cream.
Riley.
Well, that's very pretty. So I got a lot of shaving cream,
Wait,
which
there's still some in here.
I'm pretty happy about
No,
it.
there's not.
Look at this. Yeah, this is a lot. So far, I kind of like his better, but you know, I'm gonna roll with mine because it looks good.
This
and
one.
It's gonna be like a pastel color.
Okay, guys, I'm going with this one.
I bet that was probably pretty.
Oh, it's purple.
I'm just gonna like.
Purple.
Oh, lucky. I'm hoping that I can get like black because I really want a galaxy slime or something. I don't know. I don't really know what's gonna happen with this because green and blue, I don't know what's gonna happen. Pink and purple probably is gonna turn purple.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick this one. Ooh, it's very light. What is this?
Is it very light or just very light?
I can't tell what this is.
Let me see.
What is that? Is that lotion?
Yeah, it's lotion.
Okay, I got lotion.
I had conditioner because I smelled it. I smelled it first. Yellow.
Yellow and purple. Oh, pinkish purple. Plus, that's like an orange yellow. That looks good.
Oh, it looks like some kind of tie-dye egg.
It kind of does. Well, he's getting the rest of his yellow out.
The rest of my tie-dye egg.
I'm gonna get this one.
I'm gonna stack them
wait.
on top of each other to be cool.
What's that? It kind of sounds weird.
Oh, I think it's foam beads.
No, it's glitter. Oh, I don't really, these glitters are actually kind of pretty.
Oh no, it's turning brown.
Look at these glitters.
It's turning brown.
It looks very good.
I want to see. Look at this.
Those look very pretty. Eek.
Is this brown?
There's still a ton in here.
Woo. I got blue.
Sometimes glitter is hard to get out. And now it's
Wait,
sticking to my
blue
hands.
and brown, what does that make?
Brown.
It's like a mustard brown.
That's weird. I didn't know. Okay. I'm gonna go for this one because it had a piece of glitter on it. Is it glitter again?
I need glitter.
It's glitter again, but it's not pretty glitter anymore. Riley! Look at that glitter. It's kind of just cute. That is good.
Ole.
What is that? It looks like
I
broccoli.
got microbeads, purple ones.
Oh, that.
Riley.
Look at that. Can I see? Whoa, that looks so cool. Show the camera. Here, in my microbeads. Kid, show the camera.
Got microbeads. Woohoo!
I'm gonna get.
They've been put into slime.
I'm getting vibes on this one.
Good vibes.
Oh, it's heavy.
No, it's turning gray. No.
What is this?
No, it's turning gray.
What is this? I got clay. I'm going white clay. This is a lot.
I'm going for this one.
It's got like a tint of blue in it.
What's this? Is this foam soap? Foam soap.
Oh, you got foam soap. I don't know how mine's
Ew, it's liquid.
I think mine, I hope it turns white from the clay, but I'm not very sure because there's shaving cream in here. So let's mix it. Comment down below which color you think our slimes will be. Let's just see. We're not going to activate yet, but we're just going to see what color. Mine's turning white. Mine's like a light green. That's sad.
Mine looks like melted chocolate ice cream.
Yeah.
With like melted whipped cream.
Mine looks like milk chocolate chip ice cream. I don't want to have my clay. I'm glad I got the green.
Are you ready to activate?
No, yeah, okay.
Okay.
So,
we're gonna activate
in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Our slime! I did not know blue and green makes this light green. Mine looks like an alien head.
I know. You guys vote down below which one you like better. Team Jiggly or Team Butter?
I don't know. I prefer them both. Like, his is stretchy, mine is stretchy too, but his is like soft and nice. So is mine, but I don't know. They're like,
it looks like chocolate.
Let's do our
ice cream.
presentation and we'll show you.
Presentation.
There's mine. I think mine did pretty good.
There's
Mine
mine.
looks like
I can't really make a swirl because it's very drippy.
Mine looks like mint chocolate chip ice cream. And it's like very stretchy. And
Well, you guys vote down below. We're gonna sign off. Bye guys.